There are reports that a man was killed in Flanker St. James, just meters from the polling station at Flanker Primary School a short while ago. He was allegedly slain by a security personnel. There is now a heavy security presence in the area. A St. Catherine building contractor was gunned down last night at his home in Bonnet District, Guys Hill. He has been identified as 44-year-old Renard Garden. It is reported that about 10:20 p.m. Garden drove home and was pounced upon by unknown assailants. After a brief conversation, explosions were heard and initial checks revealed that he was shot. A severed human head was found by police along First Avenue in Greenwich Town, Kingston 13 on Sunday night. A video of the incident has since been posted on social media. Up to Monday afternoon, the body of the deceased has not yet been found. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate at around 9:30 p.m. the police received information that the human head was in a box at the location. A police team was dispatched to the community. Upon arrival, the team reportedly observed a rare Neville carton box on the sidewalk containing a white knitted bag in a blue plastic bucket. Inside was a plastic bag in which the human head was seen. The scene was processed and the head removed to the morgue. Detectives assigned to the St. James Police Division have charged a woman with murder for the death of her 5-month-old baby Destiny Brown at their home in Barrett Hall, Lilliput in St. James on Tuesday, December 6, 2023. Charge is 27-year-old Shamaya Green of a Barrett Hall address. Reports said that about 5:35 p.m. Green was at home with her common-law husband and other family members when she was asked to have a conversation with her partner about their relationship. However, the man reportedly deferred the talks for later that evening. Green allegedly became enraged and left the room, taking the baby with her. She reportedly took Destiny to the roof of the third floor of the building and threw her on the concrete pit in the yard. The police were alerted and Destiny was taken to hospital where she died while being treated. Following an investigation into the matter, Green was charged on Saturday, February 24, after she was interviewed in the presence of her attorney. Her court date is being finalized.